Raindrops in Spring, written and illustrated by Manushri. In a cloud, dark and gray, a little raindrop lies hidden away. With a crack of thunder, it falls from above, finally able to see the day it loves. With a smile on its face, it beams in the sky and waves to the birds who all fly by. It slides on the robin's blue egg and glides on the branch, rolls onto the leaves into nature's expanse. It falls on a flower and takes in the scent, the lovely petals cushioning wherever it went. A little busy bee buzzed to suck the pollen out, and the little raindrop fell as if from a waterspout. The tip of a grass it landed and shone. Spring, oh spring, what a beautiful home. Finally, the droplet slides onto the ground to meet its raindrop friends and learn what they had found. Spring, oh spring, nature divine, to feel the cool breeze and the warm sunshine, for a little raindrop, a wonderful time. The end. If you like this video, give it a big thumbs up. For more stories, check out our channel. And don't forget to subscribe. Goodbye!